Hello, darlings. It's great to see you all again. I must admit I'm feeling so much better today, especially after this long week. It's been such a long week for me. I know 1 week is not a long time, but after the scorching heat waves, the past week it just felt like a really long time for me. Plus, on top of that, I had to put up with being and feeling emotionally disabled and drained because of the harassment and threats that I have experienced from my abusive ex-husband, who has been sending them to me via my channel and email. So today, because we're back into another heat wave again, I thought my first video I'm going to make is going to be for this. Now this is a dashboard mini air conditioner for vehicles. Now, I've already done one video about this a little while ago where I was very disappointed with this, and I told my viewers not to buy this. However, I'm going to explain why in a minute. However, I was wrong about that, and this is why I'm remaking this video now, and I'm going to change this review, and I'm going to, instead of giving it 2 out of 10, I'm going to give it 10 out of 10. And I'll explain why in a minute. But before we do, let me show you how it works. Now, it's 12 volts, so it plugs into a cigarette lighter or into your portable power station. Now, to open it up, you just slide, can you see that? You just slide this across. I'll put that back down there for a minute. And then push it up like this. Now, it comes with this. Now what you do is you put this, run this underneath the cold water before you put this into here. Now what I've done is I've run it underneath the cold water, but then I placed it in the freezer for a couple of hours to get that extra coldness, and you can do that too. So what you do is you turn it around like this, and then you just push that into here so that it fits into this slot. Let me show you if you can see that. Okay. So we'll push that in there. I'll put that in there in a minute. Like so. Now, it also comes with this little bottle. Now I've already put some ice in there. I get some very cold water. Now I'm going to fill this up all the way to the top with this cold water. So I'll put the ice in here to help with the extra coolness. I've got the water in here, like so. Now, I'm going to put the lid on here. What it looks like, if you can see that. Now, we're going to turn this upside down and put this into here. So this goes towards the back like that. And it goes all the way down into here. As you can see, like that. Okay. Now, to close the lid, we just push it down and slide it back in. Okay, now, I'll just put this down here for a tick. Now, just before I turn this on and start it, I'm going to explain between the two reviews so you don't get confused, okay? So, when I was using this the first time, I was using this with this portable power station. Now, this is only 150 watt power station. I mean, it's quite good, but it's nowhere near as strong as a 600 watt power station. Now, that's the difference between these two power stations. So, in my last video, I had this plugged into this one, which I will show you now. Turn it on. Now, at the back here is where you have the on and off switch, which is here. So you can have it on slow or fast. Now using the 150 watt portable power station on slow, I can just feel that. Okay, so now turn it up to fast, and it is working. I can feel this about this far from my face. Let me show you. And this is with the 150 watt portable power station. Now wash my hair. So therefore, using with the 150 watt portable power station is okay. Now, I'm going to move this over to this side. Now, you will see the difference when I plug this one into the 600 watt portable power station. So I'm going to plug that into there like so, and we shall turn it on. Now, we've got it on low or slow, and I can feel this about this far away from my face. So it's like when this is on slow on here, it's like attaching this into the 150 watt portable power station and putting this on fast. Okay, so now I've turned this up to fast. You can see and feel the difference already. Now, I hold this up here, I'll use my hair, and look. Oh my God, I can hold that all the way up there. Oh my God, it feels beautiful. So I had to do this review first because we're in the middle of Woodley, Peach Bay here in Melbourne, Australia. And there are so many people that I know who do not have air conditioners in their vehicles. I mean, I do have an air conditioner in my vehicle, but it's not working, so this is why I got this until I get it fixed. But even after I did get my air conditioner fixed, I think I will still continue to use this because this will be handy in the back of the van too. Now, if you have a portable power station at home, that means you can use these at home too. Or if you're working in the shed, they are great too. So this is onto your dashboard, and you notice it's got a little window here, which is the water indicator. And I must admit that once you fill up that little water container, my God, it lasts just a long time, which is great because that means you don't have to continue refilling up the water container all the time. So that's convenient too. So, what I want you to do is that if you have seen my previous review about this dashboard 12-volt mini air conditioner for vehicles, please ignore that one. And because in my last video I gave it 2 out of 10, I think. But this time, now that I'm using it with the 600-watt portable power station, I'm giving it 10 out of 10. That is why I had to make this video first and do this review first. Okay, so that's my video for today. And so I hope this review will help you in some sort of way. I bought my mini air conditioner, dashboard air conditioner from Amazon. I think it was about $70 or $75 that I paid for it. And they are worth the money. You can also buy this from eBay too. I'm not sure about Temu. You'll have to have a look. I know you can buy them on other online stores as well. However, I haven't seen them in any shops yet. But I do absolutely recommend them. So what you do is you just stick it on top of your dashboard, plug it into a cigarette lighter, and away you go. And remember to put ice cold water and ice into the water bottle. And to run this underneath cold water and then place it into the freezer for a couple of hours or so, depending on how cold you want it for before you put this in here. I mean, you can use this without this, with just this, which is quite good too. But for that extra coolness and that extra comfort, I recommend using them both together. No, I can't get it back in. It might be, oh my God, feel that. Woo! Oh my God, must be food. Slide it up like that, and voila. Okay, so I think that's about it for today. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for joining me for today's review. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this review helps you in some way. I'm glad I made it. I hope to remake it because my first video I learned was incorrect. And as you know, I only advertise the products that I recommend that I know will be useful for you. And if they're not, I will let you know. And I will also let you know if I'm wrong about a product that I've reviewed, like this one here, how I assumed and thought that it was okay, but not as good as what I thought it would be until I changed the power station. And therefore, I'm glad I kept this. And yes, you get this on Amazon. It's about $70-$75. They do range in different prices, so I recommend trying to order the cheapest one that you can get. Okay, so I think that's about it. 16 minutes. I think that's long enough for this video. Okay, so thanks for joining for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. And also a big thank you to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. As well as a big thank you to all of my older subscribers. Oh, I appreciate all of my viewers and subscribers. I don't know if you understand how much you all mean the whole world to me. That's just for my little one. So that's about it. So if you're looking for a small portable air conditioner for your vehicle or for your room or dorm, if you live in a tiny house, or if you work in a small shed and you have a portable power station at home, and you just plug those into your cigarette lighter in your vehicle, and voila, away you go. So I'm glad I remade this video. I'll see you in the next one. So, take care everybody. Great to see you all again. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye.